In many economic models, consumers are assumed to be rational. We often assume that people seek to maximize their utility. They will make perfect decisions about what they buy, with each purchase making them as happy as possible. However, in reality, this is not the case. A key reason for this is that people don't have enough information to make a perfect decision. To choose the best things to buy, we need to know every single option and exactly how much utility this will give us. There are far too many goods and services out there at different prices for people to know how to spend their money perfectly. We may also be told false or misleading information. Salespeople may tell lies to make you buy something. This is known as asymmetric information. Another reason is that we don't have enough time to act rationally. It takes time to weigh up our options and choose the best alternative. We make so many decisions every day that there isn't enough time to do this for every single choice. Sometimes it's better to choose the second or third best option instead of spending too long overthinking every decision. This is tied into another problem known as computation weakness. People aren't computers, so even if we had all the time in the world and all the information we need, we may still make the wrong decision because it's too difficult to weigh up the costs and benefits of every alternative. How am I supposed to calculate whether I'll gain more happiness from going to the cinema or staying in and studying? The cinema gives me happiness right now, but studying could give me a better grade or a better job in the future. Calculating which is better is very difficult, so we often make mistakes. Humans may also be addicted to certain goods. For example, people may continue to smoke even if they know it is bad for them, because they've developed a habit or a dependency. We may view this as irrational behaviour. We can also make suboptimal decisions due to social factors. People tend to follow the group and may give in to peer pressure, leading them to do something they don't actually want to do. There are a number of other behavioural biases, but these all fall into one of the categories I've already mentioned, so I'll go into those in more detail in a future video. So look out for that one, leave a like if you found this video interesting, and subscribe to add some econ to your subscription feed.